The Science Partnership Office promotes and supports working together. Academics, students, industry, government and other organisations. In this film, you'll see some of the innovative research we do at Bristol and how we've worked with our partners to solve real-world problems in climate and sustainability.
One of the key roles that we have to play as scientists is to make everything more efficient. And making flight efficient is extremely vital to the climate change scenario.
We can offer some scientific understanding of the new class of material to allow the engines work at very high temperature. So that way you can increase the efficiency of the fuels burning, then reduce the carbon dioxide emission.
And that's been done for the first time between Cross and University of Bristol.
The project with Practical Action is focused on developing an early warning system to help protect people against the impacts of hazardous flash floods in Peru.
And they want to know how much rainfall is dangerous, and then they can issue rather simple, low-tech devices to people so they know that if the rainfall exceeds a certain rate to evacuate.
This is having a practical impact and benefit in some of these communities, and hopefully in the future some more broader impact beyond the communities. That's what motivates us when it comes to developing the project and to implementing the project.
If you think about data, we all take it for granted. We go somewhere, we turn on our phone, we download email, we can download a movie to watch on the train as we go home. That's all been enabled by materials like gallium nitride.
If you look at mobile phone base stations, they use so-called material gallium nitride to transmit and receive signals, and these run very hot. We started attaching gallium nitride to diamond to make much better microwave electronics to extract the heat to make it more powerful.
And you can just increase that efficiency by 1% or 2%. The impact that has on energy generation is really significant.
We can actually make a greener society and effectively help reducing the UK carbon footprint to zero.
The work of USNC contributes to nuclear energy and their designs for new high-temperature nuclear reactors.
The aim of that is to move nuclear out of baseload electricity production to process heat and make a big contribution to the decarbonisation of industry.
So they will allow the nuclear reactor work at very high temperature to promote hydrogen production. So that will create a much cleaner future for all of us.
Partnerships are important for our students and for our researchers. They help us understand how we can apply fundamental research that we do to real-world problems.
The university has already the processes, the procedures, the resources, but also the funding to support some of these collaborations and partnerships. We are in the right place if you want to do these kinds of partnerships and collaborations.
And certainly, for this area where science joins with the industry, we can solve the problems we are facing and create a better and a cleaner future together.